Good morning everyone. Today in our class we are going to discuss a sixth chapter, that is forest. So firstly children, we will discuss what do we think about forest. So dear children, firstly see in picture of forest. So children, this is the image of forest. So I will read para one by one, then I will explain to you. Chapter 6, Forest. Forest is a place where trees grow naturally in a large numbers. It is a home to many insects, birds and other animals. Importance of forests. Forests have always been of great importance to humans since prehistoric times. Forests provide shelter to many types of animals, birds and insects. The early humans obtained food from forest by gathering fruits and hunting wild animals. They lived in the forest that fulfilled all their basic needs. Forests are very important to us even today as they provide us with wood, latex, gum, oils, resins, fruits, food, medicines, etc. Forests also reduce soil erosion, keep the air clean and give out fresh oxygen. Forests regulate the temperature and helps to bring rain. Then I will explain this para. So let's understand what this paragraph means. Dear children, forests are the place on the earth where a lot of trees, plants and animals live in association with each other, or a large area of land thickly covered with trees, creepers and bushes and having a variety of wildlife is called a forest. Almost 8% of our population is depend on forest. In our India has approximately 10.5% of real forest area. Now, children, one question arises in our mind. Why do we need forest, or what are importance of forest? So dear children, forests are very important gift of nature. We get medicines, lake, resin, fruits, gum, fooders and from forest. Forests provide shelter to many types of animals, birds and insects. Many people still live in forest. They fulfill all their basic needs from forest. Forests attract rainfall and increase oxygen level in the air. Forests also reduce soil erosion and forests regulate the temperature. That's why forests are very important for us, birds and animals. So, children, you understood what is forest and why do we need forest? Now, I am repeating the definition of forest. Forest is a place where trees grow naturally in large numbers. It is a home of many insects, birds and other animals. Second para is tribes of India. Forests are home to many people. People who live in the forest are called tribal people and Adivasis. Here are a few tribes of India. Please turn the page. The tribal people of India depend a lot on the forest for their livelihood. They collect seeds, fruits, resins, lake, bamboo, etc. From the forest, they use the wood as a fuel. They make baskets from bamboo and cane. Tribal men and women make beautiful jewelry using grass fibers, sheets and cells. They make brooms, pipes, containers, etc. from natural materials like bamboo, grass and leaf. Then I explain this para. Firstly, before explaining the paragraph, firstly you see the picture of tribal people of India. Different types of people live in India. As you know children, many people live in forest. It means forest is shelter of them. So people who live in forest are called tribal people. Our forest people are Adivasis. They know how to preserve the forest. Forest people are tribal people, depend on the forest for their livelihood. They do hunting and gather roots and leaves. They collect wood, fruits, honey, bamboo from forest. They make baskets from bamboo and cane. Bamboo is the backbone of their houses and a number of cultural work and art. Their benches, chairs, baskets, mats, huts, mugs, pipes are all made of bamboo. Tribal people have knowledge about the various plants and their medicinal properties. Tribal people earn money by selling oil, pattals. Do you know, children, what is a pattal? Pattal made by using leaf. Nowadays, people are not using pattal, but in earlier time, people are using pattal for eating food. They also cultivate crops like maize and sweet potato. They sell their crops in local market to earn money. They also store some crops for their use. Here you can see a lady making pattal from leaves. As shown in this picture, you can see household materials are made up of bamboo. Children, you can see these images also. There are different kinds of tribes in India. They are Santhal, Veels, Gond, Goras. They live in different states of India. Now, this is enough for today. We will continue this chapter in our next class.